Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to run a computer performance benchmark test on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your browser. Okay, now we're going to find passmark.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, scroll down a bit and you'll find performance test. You have your mem test and print test as well. So just click on performance test and then go to the top, just click on free download. Okay. Now go ahead and download it for your Windows right here. Download performance test x86, x64. Download, save it on your desktop. Wait for the process to finish right here. And then once that's done, just click on the installer to begin the installation process. Okay, it's like this one right here. Click on it, wait for it to load, and there'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now close the browser if you want to. Just click on OK right here. I accept, next, 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 install. Wait for the process to finish. It won't take long as this one is pretty light. Okay. Now just click on finish right here to automatically launch the performance test application. If you want to, you could go ahead and delete the installer right here and leave the application shortcut, okay, in your desktop if you want to. Now it says here results will be automatically uploaded once full benchmark has been completed. Just click on OK and wait for it to collect the hardwares that your system have. Okay, so just wait for it. There you go. Once that's done, just click on run benchmark and then just click on yes. There you go. Just wait for the process to finish right here. And this one right here will take some time. Okay, so patiently wait. And as you can see here, first up, it will run a benchmark for your CPU. And after that, for 2D graphics, then 3D, and memory, then disk. Okay, and under 2D or 3D graphics, it will show you some videos. Okay, you won't be able to use your computer if that happens. So just leave it be and just wait for it. So maybe I'm just going to go ahead and just speed it up. Or maybe 5x, okay, or 10x, just for you to see what's happening. All right, as you can see here. So as you can see here, the benchmark test is done. So you could go ahead and click on save results as a new baseline. So whenever you have an upgrade and then you run the benchmark again, you'll have a comparison. Okay, so as you can see here, my CPU mark is this rating, my 2D, 3D, memory, and disk mark. So just click on OK right here. Now it's going to upload your base mark. Now it's going to upload your baseline and just click on OK. Now as you can see here, my computer is around mid-50s of all scores. So that means my computer right here is almost maybe 60 or 65 better than most of these computers right here below. So the color is orange, mid-range computer, low-end computer, high-end computers. Okay? And if you want to rerun each right here, like memory mark, 2D mark, go ahead and rerun it. Okay? And that's basically it. That's just how easy it is to run a computer performance benchmark test on Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.